Hello and welcome to Edupedia World. Now let's take a look at how you can import video and images into After Effects. So importing video and images done in the project panel. So just right click and say import, then a file. And then you can just say, okay, I want this video of a flower. So you can just highlight it and then say import. And then the video will be imported and be in this list. So if we double click, we can see our video over here. Very simple. We can also import images. It's done the same way. Import, file, and then I have this JPEG image of a graphics card. Just want to say import, and here's our picture. Very simple. Let's just delete these and try importing something in a new way. So we can say, if we want to import multiple files, we don't want to always have to right click, say import, and then a file. We can choose this option called import multiple files. And what that does is that you can, let's say we want to import this. So we just want to highlight it and say import. Boom. Now it has imported the video, but it's also opened this window again, so we can just say I want to import this video of a horse. Import. It has opened it again. I want to import this video or this image of a graphics card. Import. And this way it's very easy to just import a lot of video very quickly. And then when you're done, just hit done. And then here's all your video and images. Now I want to show you guys how you can import a image sequence. So as you know, video is made of just a lot of images showed quickly in a row, and therefore you can also have a video as a lot of images. So now I want to show you how you can import a lot of images as an image sequence. So you want to say import file again, then you just want to browse to where you have all your images, and the images have to be named, so it's like a name and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. You can't just have a lot of different images and then put them together. So here I have an image sequence, and as you can see it's called rocket on field, and then 450, and then 0450, and then 0451, 0452. So this is a sequence, and it's all called the same. The only thing that changes is the number here in the end. And when After Effects sees this, it detects it as a image sequence. So when I have an image selected, I of course want to select the first one. Then I get this option down here under sequence options called PNG sequence. And if I have this selected and I've set this to footage, then it will take all these images and then merge them together into a short video file. So it won't be like 400 pictures, it will be a video file. So now I've selected the first image, I've checked PNG sequence, and then I just hit import. And now, as you can see, I've imported this, and it's not a billion pictures. It says rocket on field 0450 to 0957. So this is the sequence from frame 450 to 957. So if I just double click this, you can see here, this is the video it has imported. This is rendered from a piece of 3D software. So yeah, it's a pretty weird footage to just have laying around, but it's demonstrated how to import image sequences very nicely. And of course, if you shoot time lapses and stuff, then you will also have to use the image sequence option. Another thing is that you can see here the frame rate says 30 frames per second. And what do I do if I want to work with 24 frames per second? So you just want to right click and then go to this option here that's called interpret footage, and then click main. And then here you can change the frame rate. So I just want 24 frames per second, and then hit OK. And now it's 24 frames per second. You can't see the difference, but well, now it's 24 frames per second, so there's a bit of a difference. Thank you for watching Edupedia World. Stay tuned for more videos.